as you guys can see, I just passed security there with the airport because I'm going again to buy a car. So I go to New York to purchase a car, and I can't tell you what car it is. And this car is actually gonna be my car, so find out how it goes. I'll take you with me, you guys. Hope you like it. Finally arrived to New York. This is the New York airport where you bring your bag. So I'm just gonna go outside, and my sister should be waiting for me. So let's see. So guys, I'm all the way in New York, all the way from Utah, and I'm on the hood. I used to live around here, so but I can't because one of my friends is selling the Evo, and we know the history about this car. I decided to come and purchase it. This is the car. It has an authentic body kit, white body kit from Japan. So it has a screen, has the seat belt, the bar, the lights, everything. Has the 3-spot gauges. So this is it. Has some works wheels. Got some extra parts there. But this is it. This is why I came all the way. is now officially mine. So now it's a matter of putting it in the trailer and ship it back to Utah. No, I'm in New York. I came to buy a car, and now we came to the New York City Times Square. So, and I believe this is the place that I brought my wife for the first time to the city. So I asked her out right here. So, you guys, I'm back where I started with my wife. This is it, famous Times Square. There's a lot of people visiting. Yeah, the video. You guys didn't know, this is my sister, Sandra.
Hi.
So we're here at the Times Square, New York City.
I don't like questions.
We are walking to get some food for her.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
So they use the horses over here. You can get a ride. Babe, remember I took you on a ride on one of these? With the horsey around Times Square. I remember when I asked my wife to be my girlfriend for the first time, I took her here to Times Square, and then we went for the ride on one of the horsey rides. So that was a great time and a good memory. M&M store in Times Square. You know, as you may know, this is really famous store. Everything about M&M. So it's all about M&M. So I pay to park the car while we walk around the city, and it's the elevators, car elevators, and it goes up and it goes to the parking lot. Isn't that cool?